All right. Hello everyone. Welcome to this training and this is CorelDraw Masterclass. This CorelDraw is going to this training is going to contain the full course on CorelDraw. So that's why it is master class. All right. So my name is Austin Adegoke. So you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can have videos on CorelDraw courses. All right. So now, I personally decided to make training or class on CorelDraw. So for those who are asking me that how can I do this, how can I do that? So I'm making these videos for those who have been asking me online that can I teach them CorelDraw for free? Can I teach them graphic design for free? So that is what I am doing now. And that is the essence of this master class master class. So this section is focuses on helping complete beginners to understand the basics of CorelDraw graphics design. So we have to understand something about CorelDraw, and this is the first video. This is like introduction. This is introduction part of this CorelDraw. So I'll be taking us on a journey on CorelDraw. All right, so let's start from this place. So you have your CorelDraw on your phone, or on your laptop, on your desktop. Then you have to go to open your CorelDraw. If you have it on your laptop or on your desktop, just open it. So once you open your CorelDraw, it will come to this place, and this is what we call interface. This is CorelDraw interface. All right. So there's some things that I will be explaining to us on this first video, which is introduction part of this CorelDraw graphic design master class. All right. So this is interface, and I'll be telling us some uses why you need this CorelDraw as a graphic designer. All right, now let's start from this place. So you can see workspace, you can see this get started uh workspace, you can see what is new, you can see learning, and so on and so forth. All right, so I'm going to explain what this thing means, what this standard default touch, specialty, illustration, page layout, etc. So as we continue our journey on this CorelDraw master class by Austin concepts. So understand this. So you are going to learn fundamental of CorelDraw. You're going to learn there's some things that you're going to learn in this CorelDraw: how to design logos, how to design flyers, how to design anything, just name it, as a graphic designer. How to edit your back picture, image, how to remove background, then how to design social media thumbnails or social media graphics, and then how you can design a flyer so that you'll be able to print it. So I have videos on smartphone graphic design masterclass as well, but this is CorelDraw masterclass. So for those who are making use of CorelDraw, understand? So if you have laptop, you are making use of CorelDraw, then this video is for you. So congratulate yourself that you are on the right spot. So congratulate yourself. Okay, so when you open your CorelDraw, so there's something you're going to see, and you're going to see something called interface. And this interface, I'm going to be explaining it one after the other in the next video. So make sure you follow me, make sure you continue watching this video at Austin Concept. So thank you.